In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the dimensions of your spreadsheet cells efficiently. Whether you're working on Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, mastering the art of resizing rows and columns can significantly enhance the readability and presentation of your data. So, let's dive in and explore these essential skills. First, let's start with resizing row heights. Imagine you're looking at your spreadsheet, and some of the content seems a bit cramped. To give your data some breathing space, hover your mouse over the row numbers on the left side of the screen, such as 1, 2, or 3. These numbers represent each row on your spreadsheet. As you position your cursor over the line, separating two row numbers, you'll notice the cursor changes into a vertical double arrow. This is your cue to click and hold your mouse button down. By dragging the cursor downwards, you can increase the height of your row. Once it reaches the desired size, simply release the mouse button. This little trick ensures that whatever notes or entries you have within that row are neatly visible without cutting off any important information. Moving on, let's talk about resizing the column width. Sometimes, column contents spill over into the next column, making it hard to read. To tackle this, hover your mouse over the letters at the top of your spreadsheet, such as A, B, or C. These letters correspond to your columns. When the cursor morphs into a horizontal double arrow, you're ready to adjust the column size. Click and hold the mouse button, then gently drag the cursor towards the right to expand the column width. Feel free to release the mouse button once the column is suitably wide. This action ensures each cell content is displayed clearly without needing you to squint or guess what might be hidden. Lastly, let's finesse the skill of resizing multiple rows or columns in one go. Suppose you have several rows or columns with uniform content that requires resizing. Instead of adjusting each one individually, you can do this efficiently by clicking and dragging to select all the rows or columns you want to resize. Once you have made your selection, right-click the highlighted area. A menu will appear, giving you options to either resize rows or resize columns, depending on what you selected. Click on your desired option, and a dialog box will appear where you can enter a specific number representing either the height or width you want to set. After inputting your desired measurement, hit OK, and voila! Your selected rows or columns are uniformly resized to the exact dimensions you specified, saving you a ton of time and effort. And there you have it. We've explored together how to resize rows and columns individually and collectively, ensuring your spreadsheets are as clean and user-friendly as possible. Give these methods a try and watch how they can transform your data management experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.